Eric, the Lunan machine range, tell me a little bit about that before we start on this model.
Okay, it's a range that we've developed from their conventional products, which we started with around 15 years ago. That's been very successful, and as they've developed the products, we've grown with them on the CNC side of the machine line.
Now this particular model here is the 630 MF. This is kind of a Semi CNC, so you can use the machine manually as well as a full CNC control, correct?
Yeah, correct, yeah. You've got them full manual function. With the door open, you can run it just as you would a conventional CNC lathe. It's obviously under full CNC control. You've got programmable turret and that sort of thing, but that is disabled during the manual function.
Because this has got a tool post on it, a 4-station tool post, which is, like you say, you can program in the control, but you can have a turret as well, can't you? A 6-station turret?
That's correct, yeah, they do a fully programmable 6-station turret, although that is really designed more for production applications than the small batch work that we're aiming at with this machine.
Okay, now the 2 points I wanted to mention, on the control you've got the GSK control as well as the Fanuc and the Siemens. Tell me a little bit about the GSK.
GSK is it's a control that's coming from China. It's been in production for about 10 years now. They claim to be the third largest control manufacturer in the world. They're shipping around 100,000 units per year. It is a really conventional G-code type CNC control, so anybody that's used that type of control would know exactly where they're coming from when they see the programming on it.
And it's good to have the options with the Fanuc and the Siemens as well, so if somebody, like you say, is used to G-code or Fanuc or Siemens, they've got the option.
Yeah, of course, some people like to use industry standard controls, especially in environments where they've already got those controls working. I would say with the Siemens as well, it's very, very capable when it comes to the small batch work that you need when using the shop turn software and the other functions that they've got.
Okay, now this is quite a big machine. How does it compare to other models and brands on the market? Do you take the weight and the stability as a big benefit and advantage to you?
Yeah, of course. We've looked very closely at the capability of the machine in terms of its strength, width of bed, other sort of aspects. It's got a D111 spindle nose, 3-range gearbox, so it's a powerful machine.
And this has got 630mm swing and a 2 metre between centres turning leg.
It has. We can get a 3 metre or a 1 metre version depending on the customer's requirements. The 2 metre seems to be the most popular for stock, and of course that's with the GSK control priced around £40,000, so it's a very attractive package.
And you mentioned to me about a bigger machine to this. You've got the 800 as well, other models?
Yeah, based on this frame, we're going to now be able to offer it with an 800 swing. That's available within a couple of months.
I quite like the access to this. You've got 2 doors, and then you can also open the doors at the back of the machine too.
Yes, yeah. I mean, we've thought about it long and hard. We had a lot of involvement with the manufacturers in terms of usage of the machine and the ergonomics. It seems with this type of machine, people like a very open type arrangement, which makes it very flexible.
And you've got 102mm bore capacity as well.
Yeah, with 16-inch chuck, 102mm bore. So
and the 3-stage gearbox.
Yes, yeah. So it's got really most aspects you need for heavy cutting, and for the type of work this is aimed at.
And the fact this machine is here, it's readily available to be delivered ASAP.
Yes, along with all the other, right through from the smaller machines to this now, the big model, we've got them all available from stock.
Great, thanks Eric.
Okay, my pleasure.